So, have you ever wondered what the science behind speedy thinking is? What about quick reflexes? Well, it all boils down to how fast the communication in the nervous system can be. And one of the key aspects of this communication is something called saltatory conduction, which in essence is a process that helps electrical signals between neurons propagate quicker and more efficiently. And today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the science behind it. So, saltatory conduction works mainly using two parts, myelin and the nodes of Ranvier. Myelin is a fatty proteinous layer around nerve cells in the nervous system, located on the axon, where the spaces between myelin sheaths are the nodes of Ranvier. They are so important for our body because they let electrical signals travel quickly along neurons, so information can be communicated fast. To give you context, the average myelinated neuron can travel around 70 to 120 meters per second, which is the speed of a race car. But how is something so amazingly fast biologically possible? What's the science behind it? Well, to answer that, we'll have to take a visit to the nodes of Ranvier. In each node, there are clusters of voltage-gated sodium channels. They act as a gate from outside to inside the nerve. Like the name says, they're opened by voltage. Basically, what happens is, slowly, sodium cations build up outside the membrane and eventually have enough positive charge to open the channel. Then, the cations rush into the neuron, and because the inside of cells are electrically negative, the neuron gets a huge shock as it goes from electrically negative to extremely positive due to the sodium cations. This spark in charge is what is known as an action potential, which neurons use to communicate information. Then, in myelinated neurons, action potentials from one node get regenerated in the next, allowing it to travel rapidly along the fiber, which is what we know as saltatory conduction. Pretty amazing, right?